In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Zoho CRM org ID. Whether you're managing client relationships, tracking customer interactions, or integrating with other applications, knowing your org ID can be crucial for seamless connections and configurations. So let's dive right in and find out how you can easily locate this important piece of information. To start off, you're going to want to log into your Zoho CRM dashboard. This will be your main control center where you manage all of Zoho's extensive features. If you're already familiar with this area, you'll know it's pretty much the heart of all your customer relationship management activities. Now, once you're logged in, you want to navigate over to Zoho Apps. This section is where you can access the various Zoho applications available to you, seamlessly integrated to help streamline your workflow. Next, head over to Zoho Desk. For those who might be using this for the first time, Zoho Desk is an application that helps in managing customer support activities. It's an integral part of the Zoho ecosystem, allowing for smooth handling of support tickets and customer queries. Once you're in Zoho Desk, look for the Settings option. The Settings area functions much like the Command Center, where all the configurations related to Zoho Desk can be found or adjusted as necessary. Moving forward, within settings, you'll need to find something labeled as the developer space. This section is particularly valuable for those who are keen on creating custom features or integrating third-party applications with Zoho Desk. It serves as a hub for developers to access important information and tools for application development. Now, once you're in the developer space, your focus should be set on finding the API details. API details offer data that facilitate application programming interfaces, which essentially let Zoho communicate with other software systems. After reaching the API details, take a moment to locate the org ID. This is what all your previous navigation has led to. Your org ID is a unique identifier for your organization within the Zoho ecosystem, and it's essential for certain integrations and configurations, ensuring that communications and data exchanges happen smoothly and precisely. I hope this step-by-step guide has made the process of finding your Zoho CRM org ID clearer and more approachable. Remember, this ID is a vital component for enhancing your CRM experience by making sure that everything is working in sync. Don't forget to store it securely once you've found it, as you'll likely need to reference it again in the future. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.